Number 1. 1969 Plymouth Barracuda project car, $4,995, North Plains, Oregon. This 1969 Plymouth Barracuda two-door hardtop is powered by a 3.8 cubic inch V8 with an automatic transmission. The engine runs, but the car does not drive and has no working brakes. With a clean title and long-term storage history, it is a solid restoration starting point. The car has rust in the rear wheel areas and trunk, body dents, and missing parts like passenger glass and parking lights. The interior needs full restoration and some structural repairs. Best suited for experienced restorers or as a donor car. Number 2. 1965 Ford Custom 500, $4,000, Great Falls, Montana. This 1965 Ford Custom 500 is a full-size American sedan equipped with a 289 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. Showing 97,000 miles, this car stands out as a well-maintained driver with several recent mechanical upgrades, including a new timing chain, oil pump, brakes, ignition components, shocks, water pump, and transmission service. The seller has also installed brand new tires and new old stock taillight covers, adding to its originality and appeal. The car runs well and is described as clean, making it a dependable entry-level classic. It is an excellent choice for someone looking for a classic that can be driven and enjoyed immediately without major restoration work. Number 3. 1978 Fiat 124 Spyder, $4,000, San Clemente, California. This 1978 Fiat 124 Spyder is a black convertible with manual transmission and 59,312 original miles. Family-owned since new and stored for decades, it remains complete and original. Recent work includes fuel tank, brakes, shocks, and fluids. The engine starts but needs tuning. A great affordable vintage European convertible project. Number 4. 1982 Dodge Ramcharger Royal SE 4-wheel drive, $5,000, Olympia, Washington. This 1982 Dodge Ramcharger Royal SE has a 3 18 cubic inch V8 and 4-wheel drive with 88,273 miles. It runs strong, and the 4-wheel drive system works properly. Presented as a solid, usable classic sport utility vehicle with good tires and classic off-road appeal. Number 5. 1969 Chevrolet Impala, $6,000, Mountlake, Terrace, Washington. This 1969 Chevrolet Impala is a full-size American classic equipped with a big block V8 engine and automatic transmission. With 73,773 miles and a clean title, it has strong potential but currently requires mechanical work to be roadworthy. The car needs the rear differential installed, a job estimated to take only a few hours. According to the seller, the car was running and driving before the rear-end swap was started, and all necessary parts are included. Once completed, the vehicle should return to running condition quickly. The 1969 Impala is an iconic model known for its size, comfort, and powerful engine options. This example presents a meaningful opportunity for buyers looking for a big block classic with relatively minor work needed to get it back on the road. Number 6. 1940 Mercury 8, $14,999, Picture Rocks, Arizona. This 1940 Mercury 8 represents the first generation of Mercury vehicles and is a true pre-war American classic. Equipped with a manual transmission and showing 78,000 miles, it remains in largely original condition. The car runs and drives well, making it a rare opportunity to own an early Mercury that can still be enjoyed on the road. The 1940 Mercury 8 is admired for its elegant styling and smooth flathead V8 performance, which helped bridge the gap between Ford and Lincoln in the era. Its historical significance and originality add to its appeal among collectors. This example is ideal for weekend drives or classic car events, offering both authenticity and usability. Number 7. 1968 MGB Convertible, $12,900, Boise, Idaho. This 1968 MGB Convertible is a beautifully restored British sports car featuring a 4-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive. With 105,400 miles, it has undergone extensive cosmetic and interior upgrades, including new paint, convertible top, seats, carpet, door panels, and a modern stereo system. The addition of wire wheels and disc brakes enhances both its classic look and driving performance. The MGB is one of the most popular vintage sports cars ever built, known for its simplicity, reliability, and engaging driving experience. This example runs great and stands out as a turnkey classic, ready to be enjoyed immediately. Number 8. 1967 Pontiac Bonneville Convertible, 12,500 Olympia, Washington. This 1967 Pontiac Bonneville Convertible is powered by a V8 with automatic transmission, finished in red with a white top and interior. It is in fair condition with low listed miles, offering strong potential as a driver or restoration project. Number 9. 1962 Studebaker Gran Turismo Hawk, $13,995, Los Angeles, California. This 1962 Studebaker Gran Turismo Hawk is a rare and stylish coupe powered by a 289 cubic inch V8 engine with automatic transmission. With only 9,222 units produced, it stands out as a unique piece of American automotive history. The car features power steering, power brakes, and factory air conditioning, though the air conditioning is not currently blowing cold. The black exterior paint is described as excellent, complemented by a near-flawless red leather interior. The car runs great and shows no visible rust, with only minor cosmetic imperfections. Known for its European-inspired design and performance, the Gran Turismo Hawk represents the final evolution of Studebaker's performance coupes. This is a standout collector car at a very reasonable price. Number 10. 1964 Buick Wildcat, $14,995, Los Angeles, California. This 1964 Buick Wildcat is a powerful and refined full-size coupe equipped with a 401 cubic inch V8 engine, producing 325 horsepower, paired with an automatic transmission. It features power steering and power brakes, making it a comfortable and capable cruiser. The car is in excellent condition with a beautiful white exterior, flawless interior, new carpet, and solid rust-free floors and trunk. It has been used as a daily driver, highlighting its reliability and road manners. The Wildcat was known for combining performance with luxury, and this example reflects that balance perfectly. With strong mechanical condition and striking presentation, it is a highly desirable classic, ready for immediate enjoyment.